And does it also change, the whole idea of using microservices or their application? Does it change when you are a B2C company versus when you are, let's say, a B2B company? How does this play out differently in these two cases?
It does play out differently because your thought process is different. When you're doing B2B, you're interacting with other businesses. Whereas in B2C, you have a predefined set of contracts. In the sense, when I say contracts, whether it is APIs or how do you interact, how do they interact with you and other stuff. You have defined them, you have made them public, you maybe iterate on them frequently, but they're consuming those set of services. But when it is B2B, you're interacting with either your partners or vendors or other businesses that you rely on and other stuff, right? And the contracts with them, or how do you do business with them, or how do you communicate with them, how do you exchange data with them is completely different, right? And a business in one region could be using one methodology versus in some other region using some other methodology. There, what's happening is instead of building or writing code which is working on conditional, which is a conditional coding, right? If you write an if business is B, if business is C, what do you
If
do?
if
Instead of
construct,
that,
yeah.
if yeah. So instead of doing that, if you create a microservice, that manage the communication with your business, with the other business talking to, and that acts as a layer of service between your core business and the communication layer, basically. So you're building all the customizations, you're moving out all the specificities of talking to a secondary business into
Yeah.
another microservice of its own. So your thought process of communicating with the B2B or the microservices architecture thought process is different for B2B versus B2C.